Girls develop at a different rate than boys. They're more developed, physically developed when they're born, and it takes boys a little while to catch up, and yet we put them both into school at exactly the same time, and we expect them to do exactly the same things, and quite often we're expecting, in an education system that's female dominated, we're expecting boys who are lagging behind physically and mentally to do exactly the same as girls, and then being taught by women whose thought processes work the same way as the girls that they teach, so the boys tend to fail.
The interests of males in the world of education are very different from those from females. They like different reading materials. Their approach to teaching subjects is different. There is some indication that females look at the work that they have to do with different parts of their brain. And so it's very important that the teachers are able to connect with the children they teach. And females simply cannot do that to the same level with male children as can males.
Schools have been steered by government to design classroom activities that are guaranteed to make boys bored, agitated, and above all, uninterested in the learning process.
I can assure you the number of boys that teachers come across who are put off the whole educational system because they're having to deal with material that is not interest to them.
This in turn leads to thousands of boys being punished for misbehaviour or wrongly diagnosed with various attention disorders. Boys need several things in order to focus on study. Chief amongst these are physical exercise and lots of it, teachers they can respect and identify with, exciting learning material, and a strong element of competition. Boys are energetic and awkward and like to break the rules. They require more effort from teachers and are more of a challenge to teach than girls, but the results are generally much more impressive. Boys excel at maths, computing and the sciences in particular, but the very best students at all subjects tend to be male. The bottom line is that boys are more able than girls academically at the top end of ability. They are also less able than girls at the lower end of ability. Males almost exclusively make up the brightest and also the stupidest people on the planet. In the middle of ability exist women and the remaining men.